Hello, my name's Albert Frank. I'm a lawyer, and starting as a law student handling cases, I've had some 30-plus years in and out of court, seeing what happens in law and life. Based on that, I've put together 30 points that I hope you might find of interest and some use. Now let's start with point number 1, law and trust. What is the whole purpose of our legal system? You might think from watching lawyer shows on TV that the main point of the legal system is to give lawyers interesting social lives. Because certainly on these shows I've seen very weird and wonderful social lives. Or you might think that the purpose is that lawyers should have a chance to enjoy themselves by shouting a lot, because you certainly see that in courtroom dramas. But what I'd say is really the purpose of law is to promote trust among people so that they can lead civilized lives. If you're living in a small band of hunter-gatherers, you don't really need law. What you're living in is basically a fairly large family. Everybody knows everybody. Everybody can work things out. But if you have to live and work and do business with large numbers of people who are more or less strangers, they're certainly not family, then to make that work, you need a system of law. A system of law so that when people say that they're going to do certain things, people promise you things, people sell you things, that you've got a reasonable chance that they'll come through. And if you've got a functioning legal system, and lawyers are certainly a big part of making that work, then you can have reasonable confidence, you can do business, everybody as a whole gets richer, happier, and is more secure because of that legal system. And if you're interested in this particular point, want to know more about it, you can see some of the implications on things I've written on my website, www.franklaw.ca. I also have a blog, Albert Frank on Law and Life. Or you could go old-fashioned technology and give me a call. Again, this is Albert, and you've just heard one of the 30 points